Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. Behind me is the mobile concrete batching plant we just installed on the job site. This set is the capacity of the 30 cubic meters per hour, and as you can see on the job site, those mobile batching plants is totally no need the concrete foundations and very easy to move and easy to install. This is the 50 tons horizontal cement silos used with the mobile concrete batching plant. It also no need the concrete foundation and relatively low than the vertical type is very easy to maintenance and easy to compare. Those are the screw conveyors that use to transport the cement, and this is the motors on the screw conveyors. When you first use the motor, you need to add oil in it and to lubricate the motors. This is the wing of the aggregate, including the stones and sand, and those hoppers and the belt is lifted by 3 tension sensors. And this is the wings of the water, and that is the wings of the cement. And above is the wings of the additive, and each wings there is a sensor in it to weigh those materials. After all the materials is weighing over, the materials will send to the concrete mixers to mix the concrete, and after the concrete is being mixed, it will be discharged to the mixed trunks in below this area. This is where we're discharging the concrete, and the concrete batching plant is higher than the ground, so the concrete mixed trunks can easily to load the concrete in here. This is the panel control of the control systems of the whole concrete batching plant. And it can manually control, can also fully automatically control those whole operation of the concrete batching plant. And this side of the mobile batching plant doesn't have the control room, and use the control panels is even more easy to move to another job site.
Nowadays, this kind of mobile concrete batching plant is more and more popular for the project that need to move the concrete batching plant oftenly or have a small area to install the concrete batching plant. And our company is specializing in supplying construction machines. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.